Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play good with SAE. First, let's dive into understanding SAE's core mechanics. SAE excels in specific combat scenarios, so knowing its strengths is crucial. Focus on strategic movement and positioning to gain an advantage over opponents. Remember, effective teamwork and objective control are paramount for success, contributing significantly to overall victory. We'll cover these aspects in more detail. Now, let's master SAE's abilities. Your primary weapon is your bread and butter, delivering consistent damage. Learn its optimal range and recoil pattern. Tactical abilities are key for controlling space, whether it's blocking pathways or disorienting enemies. Experiment with combining these abilities. For instance, using one to slow an enemy and another to finish them off creates powerful, synergistic effects. Practice makes perfect with these combinations. For larger lists, importing contacts from a file is the most efficient way. Begin by preparing your data in a CSV or plain text file, making sure an email address column is present. Next, navigate to the import tool within your MailChimp audience and upload your prepared file. The system will then guide you to map your file's columns to the corresponding fields in your MailChimp audience. This process handles hundreds or thousands of contacts with ease. Finally, teamwork and objective play are paramount. Always communicate actively with your teammates, sharing enemy locations and intentions. Support your allies by providing covering fire during pushes or using your utility to protect them. Remember, individual eliminations are less important than securing and defending key objectives. Working together as a cohesive unit, focusing on the mission, will consistently lead to more victories and a more enjoyable experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.